morning. So I missed a few days of Vlogtober. Our home was having some renovations done in the bathroom, so we had to go stay with my mom while that was being finished. And yeah, so we're all back now. We got back yesterday and I'm in the studio today. I'm going to try to get all the orders done today and maybe a couple new designs. I'm not entirely sure if an update's even going to be able to happen this week. I'm really hopeful. Adam just came back with the cats. I've got the big one with me for now. Just good looking kitty. I have to work. I have to work. I can't just hold you all day. So it's after 4 and I'm still working. I took a break to get the kids from school, and then we had parent-teacher conferences. So I'm trying to get as many, I'm rolling little balls of skin-colored clay for hands as I'm talking to you. I'm trying to get as many as the characters done as I can. I have Draco, Malfoy, and Hermione to do tonight. And then I've already finished Harry and his Christmas sweater. So then tomorrow, all that I'll have left to do is fill the mugs and then do Rumpelstiltskin and the Evil Queen. So I think I did a pretty good job. I had 60 charms that I needed to get done, and I at least started all of them except for Rumpelstiltskin and the Evil Queen. So I'm going to get that done. I think we're going to order pizza tonight. I am definitely not in a place to cook a meal yet, I don't think, but we'll see. We'll see how the next 15-20 minutes go.